my name is Cameron Knudson. I live in Ohio, and I will be doing a review on the samurai saw. It's not samurai saw, I forgot what its name was. I don't say it, but on a samurai saw, I have heard a lot of things about the little tip like breaking off, but it still hasn't breaking off yet, and I've smacked in everything with the tree. It's very nice. Now, the only downside of this is sometimes it gets jammed, and the reason is because you can see, here, let me set down the saw. You can see really closely, there's grooves, it's ripped off, and then once you stick your finger, the saw in, you can feel the grooves go up to hold it in place and all, because the handle. But sometimes you can get caught in the groove. It seems like it's got like a little hole or two on it, which sometimes gets the saw. Or since the blade's so sharp, I wouldn't say it's so sharp, but since the blade's super sharp, it sometimes does get caught in the plastic, and it gets hard to get in. But very good. This, I've tightened it a lot just with it's the size. Oh, I don't know what size bolt it is in the middle, but, and then it also connects to just a little plug on so you can wrap it around on your harness. It's very nice. The handle, it's got a little hole so you can put like something in there, so if you drop it, it won't fall to its death. And what most people, whenever I'm in the tree and like some people come, they're walking, they usually, first thing they ask is my saw, and instead of calling it a saw, they call it a sword. So yeah, it does get annoying, but oh well. Now, I don't really like how it says like pull and back cutting action and pruning on the side. It is kind of just, it's not the best, but it's easy to clean. And also it's got a little groove. Also, you can blow bubbles out of it. I just learned that. A little groove so sawdust can come out right here, and also at the tip. No one really notices that, but it can also come out at the tip. And it's not sticking out, just for any wonders. Not sticking out. And this, sometimes it does get in the way. And if you're lefty like me, you can either have it going towards your body and then you have to grab it a little hard, or you have to turn your hand all the way and pull it. And it kind of makes it a little difficult when you put it back in. But overall, it's worth $20 to $5, alright? It cuts good. It cuts very easily and fast. I've gotten pretty big logs down with it in maybe 5 seconds. Well, no, not 5 seconds, like 2 seconds, 3. It's very nice. But that's my review on the samurai, and sorry about the background, but that's my review on the samurai saw. Thanks for watching.